guys, our blue Play-Doh.
That was easy, right?
That was easy, right?
Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Today we're going to make
Make Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. So for our Play-Doh, we will need some flour. What's this? What is this?
Flour.
Flour and
Food coloring.
food coloring.
And
This one,
is salt.
salt.
And
This one,
oil.
oil. And this one,
Water.
water. Okay, so this is the instruction.
This is the
We will need
instruction.
1 cup of flour
Flour
mixed together with
with
1/2 cup of
salt.
salt. Okay, can you mix them together? Put the salt in the bowl with flour. All of them.
All of them.
There you go. Then use this whisk to mix them well. There you go. And then
Some water.
for the wet ingredients,
Yeah.
we will need 2 tablespoons of warm water
Into the
And-
glass.
into a bowl. And to that, we will add 5 drops of food coloring. We add 5 drops, okay?
Okay. Okay.
1, 2, that was 2, 3.
4, 5.
Good job! I think that was 6, but that's okay. And to that,
We need some oil.
1 tablespoon of
Oil.
oil. Can you hold this for me, please? Okay. There you go. And
So shiny. It's so shiny.
from the dry ingredients, we will need about 4 tablespoons of the flour and salt mixture. And to this, we will add our wet ingredients. Okay.
Yes.
Don't put all of them yet. Okay. We'll add the wet ingredients gradually. Okay?
Yeah.
More. You add more.
On.
There you go.
Mommy, can I mix?
Okay.
It's not hard.
We have blue Play-Doh.
Ready? That was fast.
That was fast and easy, right?
Mommy, another color, yellow, please.
Okay.
Yellow color.
We'll finish this one first, and then we can make another one.
Okay.
This is too wet. Let's add a little bit of. Okay. There you go. Let's mix. So in using a chopping board, sprinkle some flour.
Yeah.
And you spread the flour on the chopping board.
On the chopping
And then you
board.
can get your Play-Doh mixture.
Yeah.
Put it in here so
Yeah.
you can knead.
Mommy, can I knead it?
Okay.
You need the dough, mommy.
Knead the dough.
We need like this.
This is how you knead the dough.
Mommy,
Use your fingers and your knuckles. And we're done. That was easy, right?
yeah. Wait, mommy. Can I,
No, that's not a rolling thing.
mommy, can I play it now?
Not yet.
We'll try.
We'll make other
We
colors.
have it, guys. Our blue Play-Doh.
That was easy, right?
That was easy, right?
And so fast.
It's so fast.
You can make your own Play-Doh at home with the ingredients that you can find at home. Right, Lucy?
Yeah. Like food coloring and flour
And salt, and oil, and water. They're all inside of your homes, right?
yeah.
Yes. Bye, guys.
Bye,
Hope you
guys.
like our video and hope you can make your own Play-Doh. Bye.
Luki's Playmate. Kuya Jim Jim and Alexa. Say hi.
Hi.
Luki, what are you making?
Play-Doh.
What are you making?
Banana aiko and cookies.
Cookies? How about you, Alexa? What are you making? Huh?
Cake. Cake.
Cake? Kuya Jim Jim, what are you making, Kuya Jim Jim?
Cookies elephant.
Cookies elephant? Wow.